Well, hey everybody, JD here, doing my second What Did You Buy Wednesday from my new bench, which you can't see, but at least I can put the camera on the other side of this room, and I can actually look at the camera, and it's a nice day. Got all my lights set up. It's nice, comfortable in here, not too hot. But let's get on with this. Went to Hobby Lobby yesterday. I got a case, like $3 for some of my 3D printed parts that I'm going to be using. Because right now they're all stashed away in little boxes and little plastic containers and everything. And another thing they got at Hobby Lobby was this kit. I'm going to be using this for the Glory Days group build put on by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop and Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella. Be doing my official video here in a few minutes, but I've never built a gasser. I don't even think I built this kit when it was the Bad Man. I don't think I've ever built this kit before. But it looks like a cool kit, and I'm looking forward to building it, and since I've got nothing better to do right now, I'm going to work on it and see how things go. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.